everyone, so I don't know if you are a camera photographer, shooter, as well as an air rifle shooter like myself. I quite enjoy doing the old photography and these videos, and one of the advantages of that is you typically require a tripod. Now I've got myself a tripod here. This is my Manfrotto 055CX Pro 4. It's basically magnesium and carbon fibre, so it's very lightweight. On top of that, I've got my Really Right Stuff ball head. This combination is fantastic for photography. Now, on the top of my ball head is a mount that works with Arca fittings, because on the bottom of my lenses and my camera, etc., I typically have an Arca mount. What you're able to do as well is on my FX Impact, 1 second, here we have my FX Impact Mark III, and on the bottom of my FX Impact Mark III is a Sabre Tactical rail, and part of that rail, the bottom part of it, is an Arca fitting. So what that enables me to do is I can come over here, I can fit that onto my ball head and lock it off. I can slide it backwards and forwards to wherever I need to go. But what you typically want to do is you want that rifle in its central balance point mounted on the ball head. And the reason you want that is because if you're lining up for a target, when you lock off, it will maintain its position. If, however, I've got that up this end, most of the weight is on the back. So if I now get myself lined up on target, lock that off, what you'll notice is, especially when you're zoomed in, it will sag quite a bit, and then you'll have to adjust it again and again and again to get it bang on target. But this setup here comes into its own when you're on the edge of a field, you've got rabbits or whatever your pest species is in their burrows, and you're waiting for them to come out. This enables you to basically set it all up, pretty much just stand here with your arms folded, waiting for them to come out their burrows and get into their pasture. As soon as they do, you're ready to go. And you've got lots of movement here. And if they swing over and you get one to the right, you just step around your tripod leg and you've got all that movement, arc, etc. It's just brilliant. All using a product that I already had, which is my photography tripod and ball head. The only additional thing you need to get is you need that bottom Arca rail to be able to mount it. You can fit it onto monopods, tripods, whatever. You don't have to stand there holding the weight of the rifle. It's just ready to go.